welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to discuss the topic of the respiratory system. This video is made on the request of one of my subscribers. If you have any videos or any questions, you can post them on my YouTube channel and I'll try to attend to your needs as well. So let's discuss the topic, the respiratory system. So firstly, the air goes through the nose or the mouth into the trachea. Now the trachea has these cartilages. These are called the ring cartilages of the trachea, and they hold the trachea open. Right, so the air goes from here down in there and then into the bronchi. The bronchi further divides into the bronchioles, which are these are the bronchioles, and then that leads into the alveoli. These alveoli, this is an enlarged structure of the alveoli. Now why are the alveoli so big? This is because they can transfer maximum amounts of oxygen into the deoxygenated blood. And now we'll discuss how the breathing takes place. So when air goes in, these lungs, they increase in size because first there's a rib cage out there, right? Over here there's a rib cage. This rib cage opens up when you breathe in air, and therefore there's more space for the lungs to open up. And then there's this diaphragm. This diaphragm releases, so it goes down, so that we have maximum air, so that maximum air can come in. Once so much air is present, the air goes through into the alveoli, and there it goes into the bloodstream. And once the breathing is over, once we have to breathe out, this diaphragm will go up again, and then the ribcage will contract, and therefore the air will be pushed out. Now we'll do some questions to consider. Let's just clean this. The questions to consider. What is the use of the ring cartilages in the trachea? Now, as I've already mentioned, they keep the trachea open. If they were not there, then the trachea would close and we would have face problems in breathing. The second question is, why are there so many alveoli? Now, we all know that if we have more surface area, more blood will be able to be exchanged, right? So because we have so many different alveoli, we will be able to have more exchanges of blood, and therefore it will help in our survival. Third question is, why are there so many capillaries present around the alveoli? Now this is again because that diffusion can easily take place, and the deoxygenated blood can easily get the oxygen from these alveoli and therefore go away. Therefore it will be easier for blood transfer. Now what are these terms? The throat, we all know the throat is part of beneath our where the respiration starts. What is the trachea? Trachea is a tube that goes down. Bronchi are the two branches of the trachea, and bronchioles are further parts of the bronchi. I've written the definitions over here to make it easier. You can just copy them down and it'll make your life much simpler. So what is the pleura? The function of the pleura is to allow the optimum expansion and contraction of the lungs during breathing. The pleural fluid acts as a lubricant, allowing the partial and visceral pleura to glide over each other friction-free. The fluid is produced by the pleural layers for themselves. So the pleura is this part, this lining. It helps in expansion and contraction of the lungs. What is the bronchi? The bronchi are the airways that lead from the trachea into the lungs. I've already explained that, these places. The bronchioles, any of the minute branches in which a bronchus is divided. So these bronchus are divided into these. What is the alveoli? And alveoli are tiny air sacs in your lungs that take up the oxygen as you breathe in. This has also been explained. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can also post them and I'll make videos on request. Thank you.